So if you are a resident of Tennessee, then you know that we are getting anywhere from 0 inches to 900 inches. And I'm at Publix right now, so let's go in and see what it looks like. Looks like I'm getting the last cart that they have. They're all gone. Looks like, I mean, it's not too bad, but it looks like there's a lot of people doing chili. So, okay, so honestly, it really wasn't that crazy busy in there, but $230 later, because Kylie, of course, is dairy free and she needs some things. I just got a bunch of perishable items. Maverick's birthday is on Saturday, his party, so we had to cancel that. That's been the biggest disappointment, is canceling all that, canceling the cake, trying to like just redo my schedule at work, and yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna make the best of it. Also, make sure you put fuel in your car. That's where I'm gonna go right now. And guess we'll see how many inches we get. Good luck, guys. Love you.